So there's already a lot of videos on YouTube talking about 3 lighting setups, but what if you only have 1 light? What was that? There's already a lot of videos talking about 1 light setup on YouTube. But this video is different though. This is my 1 light setup. How's that, guys? Everyone, welcome back to yet another video on this channel. We're gonna give you some tips, some tools, some hacks on how to make your video look better. We're gonna talk about gears, we're gonna talk about software, we're gonna talk about cameras, we're gonna talk about lights, we're gonna talk about editing, all these little things that will help your videos stand out. So if you're into that, consider subscribing and push the notification bell so that you will never miss a content from this channel. If you are subscribed already, thank you for supporting this channel. Thank you for being a part of this small community for now, and hopefully we're gonna grow and grow and grow and grow. The truth is, if you were coming from another field other than videography or cinematography and all that stuff, chances are you're not gonna have a lot of lights to work with. So maybe you've saved a little bit and bought 1 light, but the question is how to get the most out of that light. Okay guys, so here's the first setup right here, and I kept the practicals on, but I turned off the rim light on this side. So yeah, this is 1 light setup right here. It's right in front of me. But here's the trick. This is not just straight in front of me. It's not just like the light is looking toward me right like this. Of course, I'm wearing glasses, so that means the light might, if it's like this, all the reflection of the light will be right here. There will be some reflection right here and it will bother you. But the light right now, the 1 light that I'm using right now is a little bit higher than the camera, higher than my head actually. And looking down a little bit, it's tilted down a little bit. And that's why you can see the shadow right here, and also some shadow on both sides of my face, and gives a little bit of not texture but form on both sides right here. And so that's my first recommendation. This is what is called a butterfly light, and you might have heard about it, you might haven't never heard about it. I would recommend this for someone who wants all their face to be lit and have a little bit of contrast here and a little bit of shadow here. Usually used in Hollywood for beauty shot or for female actress. Is there a male actress out there? I don't know, for actresses. So if you have a channel, a beauty channel, if you have a makeup channel, something that you want to show your face, things on the face, things that you do on your face, this is my recommendation right here. If there is too much shadow on underneath here, I would recommend to just use something bright right here, just under you. This technique is usually used in photography when you do a close-up headshot, especially when you want to show what makes the face of the model so beautiful. Yeah, beautiful people. We are created to be beautiful. We were made to be beautiful. Okay, beautiful people, if you like this first setup, just put in the comment section the number 1. It's the butterfly setup. Butterfly. Okay, let's go to the second setup really quick. Okay, so this is the second setup right here, and I don't know if you guys can see the difference. Right now, there is more shadow on this side of my face. That means the light is somewhere on this side. Wow. Smart, right? Smart. Now, this one right here is called the Rembrandt lighting, the Rembrandt position, Rembrandt setup, Rembrandt lighting. This was used by a photographer called Rembrandt. That was a very, when I think about this, people were very clever before when they try to name stuff. And because the light is at a 45-degree angle from this side and just illuminating this part of the face, now there is a lot of shadow here except right here. But if you don't like that there is too much shadow on this side, all you have to do is to grab that big diffuser that I showed you guys in my one of my videos. Let me try to get this. I'm gonna try. Oh my goodness. All right. If I put something light, something bright, something white on this side, then you will see that the shadow is not as much. And so that's why this thing right here is very important. This tool right here, multi-purpose tool. So this setup right here, I call it the Godfather setup. I don't know if that's the official name of this one. Maybe we can add some Italian music to go with this setup, right? Okay, all right. There we go. A little bit higher, a little bit higher. There we go. All right. Okay. So this right here, the setup is right over my head. I mean, the light is right over my head, lighting me straight down. And because the light is on top of my head right now and shining down, there is this shadow here, right here, around my eyes. And this is what they used in The Godfather. So I don't know if I would recommend this for a YouTube video, because the truth is, because of the shadows around the eyes, you won't be having that eye contact with your audience or looking into the camera as you are talking. But for a movie, when you create a mystery or something about toughness, you know, just introducing a character that is tough, like in The Godfather. Okay, question of the day, guys. Which of these setups do you guys like? Which of these setups do you prefer? Which of these setups are you interested in exploring for your videos? All right, that's all I have for today, guys, and I hope you guys got some value from this video. If you did, press the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, push the notification bell so that you will never miss any content from this channel, and I will see you guys in the next one, hopefully. Peace.